Coral Reef Bleaching, original script. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea due to their extraordinary biodiversity, supporting roughly 25% of all marine species despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. They now face a dual and escalating threat from rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification. When water temperatures exceed a critical threshold, corals undergo a stress response known as bleaching, expelling the symbiotic algae living in their tissues. Without these algae, which provide up to 90% of the coral's energy through photosynthesis, the coral turns white and becomes highly vulnerable to disease and starvation. Prolonged bleaching events lead to widespread coral death and the collapse of entire reef ecosystems. Ocean acidification, driven by increased absorption of atmospheric CO2, further weakens coral skeletons. Scientists warn that without urgent reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, the majority of the world's coral reefs could disappear by 2050. Retell script. The lecture discussed coral reef bleaching and the dual threat of rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification. The speaker explained that when water becomes too warm, corals expel their symbiotic algae, losing their primary energy source and becoming vulnerable to disease and starvation. Prolonged bleaching leads to ecosystem collapse affecting 25% of marine species. The lecture warned that without urgent greenhouse gas reductions, most coral reefs could disappear by 2050. Keywords to hit: coral reef bleaching, biodiversity, sea temperatures, ocean acidification, symbiotic algae, stress response, ecosystem collapse, marine species, greenhouse gas emissions, reef survival.